Welcome to AI Uncovered News. In this video, we'll discuss why Apple's new tech, Apple Vision Pro, could be a disaster waiting to happen. Apple's stuff usually comes with a higher price tag compared to what you see from other brands. At first glance, it might look like Apple is just cashing in on its famous name, but there's actually more to their pricing strategy. Things like their special system of products, privacy promises, money spent on advertising, and the fact that their stuff holds its value will all play a part in why Apple's things can be pretty pricey. However, one of its innovations, Apple Vision Pro, is raising some side-eye. For some context, Apple is introducing Vision Pro. In its website, it says, "Welcome to the era of spatial computing. Apple Vision Pro seamlessly blends digital content with your physical space. You navigate simply by using your eyes, hands, and voice. So you can do the things you love in ways never before possible. You've never seen everything like this before." These lines were presented alongside a sneak peek of what the Vision Pro has to offer. Apple's Vision Pro headset is turning out to be one of the trickiest products the company has ever introduced. A recent report has shed light on the challenges Apple is facing with this device. People are having a hard time finding it comfortable, and it might take even more time than we expected for it to become widely accessible. This information comes from a report by journalist Mark Gurman, who has a history of being pretty spot-on with Apple-related leaks and rumors. According to Gurman, the Vision Pro will be Apple's most complex debut to date, and will require sorting out tricky supply chain logistics, training salespeople how to set up the device, and teaching customers how to use it. There are also problems being highlighted by Apple's product testers. Gurman claims that during testing of the device, Apple determined that some people with smaller body sizes and heads would struggle to wear the headset for more than half an hour or so. The headset falls short of its promised 2-hour battery life. To address this, Apple is exploring a second headband strap design. The battery, a separate component linked to the headset via a cable, presents a challenge as not everyone has pockets. Apple is considering solutions, including asking accessory makers to create shoulder-worn pouches for the battery. The product launch will also have limited availability, requiring appointments at Apple stores due to the complex fitting process. Apple is developing an iPhone app for a precise fit, which will involve Apple Store staff assistance. Apple's staff will need to learn how to use the device and assist customers with it. They don't expect to team up with outside retailers to offer the Vision Pro until at least 2025. So, if you were hoping for some competition between different stores and, as a result, some lower prices for the starting $3,500 cost, you'll need to be patient. For those outside the US, you'll need to be even more patient. The Vision Pro is set to launch in the US in early 2024, with plans to release it in the UK and Canada by late 2024, followed by Asia and Europe. So, there's a waiting period if you're not in the US. Apple stores could struggle to stock various headset accessories, including a wide range of light seal sizes, hundreds or thousands of prescription lenses, and items like cases and screen protectors. These accessories would strain Apple's supply chain. This situation is reminiscent of what happened in 2018 with another Apple product, the original HomePod. It was a high-end speaker with impressive audio capabilities, but came at a steep price. Like the Vision Pro, Apple didn't offer a more affordable HomePod option, forcing customers to choose between an expensive device or nothing at all. Many chose the latter. As rumors of poor sales circulated, it became evident that most users prioritized having an affordable speaker over premium sound quality. Apple later introduced the HomePod Mini, which was a success, resulting in the discontinuation of the original HomePod. The reason behind the high cost of the Vision Pro is quite clear. Apple's strategy is to create the very best product possible. The Vision Pro stands head and shoulders above competing headsets in terms of technology and features. In fact, Some reports have indicated that the extensive research and production involved in making it were so expensive that Apple may barely make any profit on it, despite its $3,500 price tag. While Apple is known for producing high-quality products, there's been criticism that Apple Vision Pro may not be worth its high price, especially if it's not something you'll use frequently, similar to iPhones. The price is the first and most prominent reason why you might think twice about getting the Vision Pro. Priced at a hefty $3,499, it stands as the most expensive AR/VR headset among mainstream options available today. To put it in perspective, you could purchase Meta Quest 2 headsets for yourself and 7 friends with the same amount of money and still have some change left over to load up your libraries on each device. This price tag is undeniably high and might make your eyes water when more budget-friendly alternatives are out there. Apple's justification for the Vision Pro's pricing revolves around it being an all-in-one device that takes on the roles of a TV, a sound system, and a computer, making it supposedly worth as much as all of those combined. One significant flaw in this reasoning is that each of those other devices isn't a solitary experience, unlike the Vision Pro. You can invite a friend over to watch a movie, but if all you have is a Vision Pro headset, it's doubtful that anyone else will get much out of it. Times are tough, and the headset's expected early 2024 launch won't make it any easier. Apple defends the high price by claiming the Vision Pro combines a TV, sound system, and computer in one. However, this overlooks the fact that these devices provide shared experiences, unlike the solitary Vision Pro. It's hard to share a movie night with just a headset. The Apple Vision Pro is just the beginning of Apple's mixed reality journey. It's unclear when we'll see smaller, more powerful, and affordable options. As a first-gen device, the Vision Pro is packed with features as Apple explores what works. While it's great to have the most powerful AR/VR headset, it won't matter if users can't make the most of it. The Vision Pro will help shape future mixed reality devices by learning how people use them and improving future models. This process should lead to more reasonable prices compared to mainstream offerings, although there may still be an Apple tax. The goal is to bridge the gap, making the Vision Pro more accessible compared to the current significant price difference. Now, moving forward to the Meta Quest 3, I understand that many Apple fans may cringe at the idea of switching to a different digital ecosystem. Will it match the Apple Vision Pro's capabilities? No. Will you have access to your favorite Apple apps on the Quest 3? Most likely not. In terms of style, neither headset is a fashion statement. Personally, Apple Vision Pro is not aesthetically pleasing, and the Quest 3 doesn't fare much better. However, the Quest 3 has some advantages over the Vision Pro. It's priced at $499, offers versatility, comes with a library of games and apps, and features that have been well tested in previous generations. These features can often deliver functionality similar to the Apple headset. The Quest 3 is not only cost-effective, but also PCVR compatible, providing AR and VR experiences. It includes hand tracking and quality touch plus controllers for immersive interactions. And it can work with external devices, including MacBooks, much like the Vision Pro. Now, your opinion might vary, and if you decide to make the purchase, that's entirely your call. However, the critical question here is whether the Vision Pro's price is justified. Are there alternative products that are both more cost-effective and technologically advanced than what the Vision Pro provides? We'll need to await additional feedback once the Vision Pro hits the market and gets used by the wider public. For now, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in tech and AI.